I've been promising you guys this, so quick little cold start. Beam team checking in with you guys. So this is a little bit of an update video, so I got something to tell you guys. So I've been thinking the F30 might be going. So the plan is to get an F80 M3. So let me explain. The plan is to get an F80 M3 because I really just want a new car. And the only other new car that I would be getting is an M3. I'm a BMW dude, and I want to get the M2. The M2 they look real cool. They sound real good. They're fast, but I don't know. I'm not that two-door guy, except for this. This is my only exception. And you guys have yet to see this. When the weather clears up, as you guys can see in Maryland, it's pretty snowy. That will be introduced, but we'll see. So that's later. It's the latest. Shh. But for now, though, we're talking about this. I think this time. I think I want an M3, and I want to get you guys' opinion. The M3 this has already been built, as you guys can see. I did so much to this that wasn't documented before YouTube, but now I think if I want to continue, I think an M3 and bring you guys content with M3 content will be like the best idea, because that would be content coming in all the time. So I don't know, and it's just the opportunity that I would love to take. Like, I'm 19, if you guys didn't know. I'm 19. I turned 20 on Saturday. That's next week. So today's, I don't know, but December 26th is my birthday. So I turned 20 then, and how many 20-year-olds could say they have an M3 that they got on their own? So I don't know. I just would love to have an M3, and I've always secretly liked them, but never liked them like that. I mean, like, I never voiced it, but I always secretly liked them. And yeah, so just got you guys, let me know what you guys think. So I came from what I had first. My dad, it was a family car. The first car I had was a 1999 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. It was the base model too, so you already know how that was. 1999, bro, and that thing had transmission problems. I would be driving and the transmission kept slipping. The driver window kept getting stuck sometimes. I remember it had a problem with it. My dad didn't listen to me, and then the engine went out. The engine blew on it, so he got me a 2007 Acura TSX. That's what I had in high school. I drove an Acura 2007 Acura TSX all throughout high school. So my dad pushed me to work hard and get something on my own. So when I pushed hard and worked on my own, I was able to get this. And now from that, I'm trying to sprout up to something even better. I want that M3, guys. So let me know what you guys think. Should I get the M3? So I'm in no rush to get it, only because I want one that has every single option that I want and the spec I want. I really want that white interior. I think I think that's the only interior either white or red. I'm not sure yet, but that white interior is something I would love to have. So she is for sale. So the price I'm looking for 16. I know you guys are probably gonna think that's a little high, but I'm selling it. It's outside right now, but it's garage capped usually. It's paint corrected, ceramic coated. I'm gonna sell it with all the stock parts I have. I have the regular bumper, the regular rear bumper, mirror caps, and all the other stock parts that I have with it. Even the stock rims, because you guys know I got the 19s on there. The rims will be going with the core for the price I told you guys. So if any of you guys are interested in this car, let me know. But the hunt is begun for M3. So I've been looking around. In my area, there isn't much M3s at all. So if one comes my way, the right color I want, right monthly payment that I want to be making every month, because you guys know that's a big factor. I think I'm gonna pull the trigger. I think I will pull the trigger. Yeah, guys. So it might be it for my baby. It hasn't been that long. It's only been like, I've only had it for like a year and like 2 months. I'm already thinking to change. It came so far in that little time, but I think it's time to move on to something big. And you guys will love this content. I'm sure you guys will love this content. So yeah, let me know. Video coming soon on that. Still don't want to show you guys, still don't, but yeah. Let me know what you guys think, guys. F80 M3 me. That would be so cool. All right, guys, Beam Team out. A little update video.